Radius of the circle. Find the radius of the circle whose area is 154 centimeter square. Solution. Area of circle is equal to pi r square. Area of circle is given here 154. Therefore 154 is equal to pi. Pi is always 22 by 7 r square as it is radius. Here r square equal to 154, 7 cross multiplied into 7, 22 comes down, 22. R square is equal to 22 ones are 22, 22 sevens are 154. 7 into 7 here, 7 into 7 r. R is equal to under root of 7 into 7. Therefore r is equal to square root of 7 into 7 is 7 centimeter is answer.